Alright, this is the very tip of the appendage. This holds the eggs. You can see the little feathery filaments that come out of the sides, holding the eggs on. We're approaching the joint. It's the joint area. Enables it to flap. See the array, how it goes there. And then this is where it actually attaches to the large part of the underneath. And all the way along you can see a little where they would have developed, where we're developing. And back.